The Giants are getting into a hole which is looking harder and harder to get out each game. Daniel Jones threw for 99 yards only, just before he got benched by Drew Lock late in the fourth quarter. Jones had Neighbors coming back from his injury, but could only find him on 4 targets for 41 yards, but the team needs to start finding more receivers or options on offense. The running game is not finding its groove as no runner had more than 23 yards on Sunday. Now the Giants head to Pittsburgh for Monday night on one of the toughest defenses on the NFL right now. Do you think they can pull the upset? Find all odds at BetUS.